A delta fibers, these are myelinated fibers. Their receptive fields are located in the periphery of the pulp as well as in the inner dentin. And if you look at the diameter, it is in the range of 2 to 5 microns, which is more than that of C fibers. And the conduction velocity is in the range of 6 to 30 meters per second, which is higher than that of C fibers. And also, these A delta fibers are stimulated or activated by hydrodynamic mechanism, and they transmit impulses which are perceived as short, well localized, sharp and pricking pain. And also they are distributed in odontoblastic and subodontoblastic zones, and they are also associated with dentinal pain. And it's 1 minute. See you again in another 1 minute video.